Hi everyone. So I want to show you one step that you need to do when you're replacing the battery. So over here on my Cateye Strada, I replaced the new battery, which is right here. This is the place. And when I put the new battery in there, the screen was completely dead. So basically in this situation, if you put the new battery in there and you have a screen dead, you need to do one step in order to reset your Cateye Strada. So there's a button here and there is these two buttons here. You need to press all these at the same time. And what's gonna happen? All these digits are gonna pop. So let me try to do this on camera and show you what I'm talking about. Okay. So you're gonna try to hit all these at the same time. Okay, let's try to do this once again. Hopefully I can, yeah. There you go. You see, all these are gonna pop, and now you hit mode once again, and there you go, success. Back to the zero, back to the miles, kilometers. And in this other video, I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery, but this is just the video, how to do the reset, so in order to wake up your bike computer. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.